Why wikis? Student perceptions of using wikis in online coursework. This study has two purposes: to explore student perceptions regarding the use of wikis in online instruction, and to explore student perceptions regarding the potential use of wikis in K-12 classrooms. The participants in this study were 40 of 49 graduate students that were enrolled in one of three methods courses. They were in groups and conducted a research project. The project incorporated the use of wikis as a platform for creating and producing collaborative research. They all attended a large Southeastern College of Education. There were two types of research methods used in this study. The first research method used was a survey. The survey consisted of 9 Likert-type questions, 2 true-false questions, and 3 open-ended questions. Of the 40 student participants, 37 completed the survey. The second research method was a student reflection. This student reflection was meant to be a personal reflection of the participants' experiences. Of the 40 student participants, 36 completed the student reflection. The results to the first research question on students' perceptions of using wikis in online instruction showed multiple benefits, such as supporting online instruction, keeping students engaged, encouraging collaboration, facilitating group learning and problem solving, as well as professional development opportunities. The results to the second research question on students' perceptions of using wikis in K-12 classrooms also showed multiple benefits, such as collaboration tool, instructional tool, easy to access for students and parents, and it kept parents involved in their students' learning. The results did yield some drawbacks and limitations. There was initial discomfort by first-time users. Misuse was an issue when wiki's purpose was not explained. Instructors did not always provide appropriate technical support, and technical issues often arose. Students' expectations were not met from the delivery of instruction. The implications from the research show that there was an overall positive experience using wikis. There were many benefits with few drawbacks and limitations, and most of those drawbacks can be overcome. The limitations of this study was the small sample size and the heavy reliance on self-reported data. However, additional research could be conducted using a larger sample size to see if this changes any results, and as well as longitudinal research being conducted to see whether or not these teachers actually overcame the drawbacks and were able to implement the wikis in their classrooms. The researcher of this study did a nice job of researching the topic before getting started. The literature review gave adequate background knowledge of wikis and the already existing research similar to this topic. The language was easy to understand for any audience. It was mainly geared toward those in the educational field. However, anyone could comprehend the article. The graphs provided broke down the information and were helpful in understanding the results of the study. However, the organization of the results made them seem repetitive. I would have liked to see the results organized by theme instead of type of question asked. In conclusion, wikis were found to be useful in both online and educational environments in the K-12 setting. There were some limitations, but many could be overcome. And finally, I personally found this study useful because of my experience with wikis and because of the information provided about their potential use in my instruction.